The 2025 Evee GenZ has officially arrived, and it's creating a buzz among urban riders and EV enthusiasts across the country. This new model brings a bold update in styling, improved battery range, and better handling, all packed into a compact and budget-friendly design. Evee has focused on giving this scooter a fresh identity to match the expectations of today's youth, and it certainly looks like a step forward. The exterior design of the 2025 Evee GenZ reflects a modern and edgy look that stands out on busy roads. The body features sharp curves and a sleek silhouette that enhances both style and aerodynamics. The front fascia gets a redesigned LED headlamp that offers excellent visibility while adding a futuristic appeal. Alongside that, the DRLs are seamlessly integrated into the front panel, giving it a premium presence. The paint finish is matte, with new color options introduced this year to attract the younger generation. The dual-tone themes and angular cuts make the scooter feel more aggressive and tech-savvy. On the sides, the scooter maintains a compact but muscular profile, ideal for city traffic and narrow lanes. It now rides on stylish alloy wheels that enhance the overall sporty appearance. The footboard area is wide enough to accommodate bags or extra items, a practical touch for everyday users. The branding and decals have also been refined to look cleaner and more professional. At the rear, the LED tail lamp setup and side indicators are neatly integrated, maintaining the minimalist yet bold theme. The grab rail is sturdy and designed to offer comfort and safety for the pillion rider. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Evee GenZ features a 1000-watt BLDC motor powered by a high-efficiency lithium-ion battery pack. The scooter offers a top speed of up to 60 km per hour, which is sufficient for city commutes and short highway stretches. One of the most talked about upgrades is the increased range. On a full charge, the GenZ now delivers between 70 to 80 km depending on riding style and conditions. This makes it highly reliable for daily use, whether for work, college, or leisure rides. The acceleration is smooth, and the scooter responds well to throttle input. It performs comfortably on inclines and handles well even with two riders on board. The ride quality is supported by front telescopic suspension and rear dual shocks, which do a good job of absorbing road bumps and uneven surfaces. The scooter uses drum brakes on both ends, offering sufficient stopping power under normal riding conditions. While disc brakes would have been a great addition, the current setup is dependable and easy to maintain. The lightweight body also makes maneuvering effortless, especially in dense city traffic. Inside the cockpit, the scooter features a digital display that shows essential metrics like speed, battery percentage, and trip meter. The handlebar layout is clean and ergonomic, allowing easy access to controls. The seat is wide and well padded, making it comfortable for both short and long rides. There's also a decent amount of under-seat storage, along with a USB charging port for mobile devices. Overall, the 2025 model of the Evee GenZ is a solid upgrade from its previous version. It combines futuristic looks with practical performance and modern-day features, making it an excellent choice for young riders and daily commuters looking for an electric solution.